Good afternoon, it is Friday afternoon. We're just going to pick my sister up because she's still at school and I'm finally on my summer holidays. But then we are going away to Inverkip. I don't know if you saw that one, but it was like a night. It was a video about a year back, or like half a year back. It said Nightmare Marina, because it was. There's a storm and everything. So hopefully we'll have way nicer weather this time. And I'm gonna try and take my drone. And we're going to inverkip. It's going to be so good. I'm having those fajitas again because it is fajitas. Oh, they're so good. But I have to ask for extra cheese as always. But yeah. Okay, we have my sister and we're just getting packed up now for the boat, and then we're gonna head down, get in the dory, and then go to the other boat and sail to either Inverkip or Rothsay. Okay, I'm just returning these jumper cables because we had engine troubles again. But I'm just returning these and I'm gonna take the boat back out and then head out and start sailing. Nice bit of wind, not good if you're on the dinghy, but I'm on the bigger boat later. And I'm off. I'm just heading out the marina now, heading over to the boat. Oh, it's gonna be a good night. Got it all tied up. My dad's now on notice. And the engine's up. We're all set to be picked up. We're now docked up, the boat is in the marina and we're gonna go get some dinner now. And it's always fine. Okay, I've got the drone on my back. Hopefully after dinner I'm gonna try and get it up. I didn't really want to fly it from the boat because I might fly it from the car park because it might fall off, but yeah, hopefully try and get that up, try and get some nice footage. Hopefully I have enough battery left tomorrow to maybe fly it off the boat, I don't know. See how it goes, and yeah, go get some dinner now here. Super nice. I'm having fajitas and extra cheese. Whoa.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So the drone was just up, as you saw. I hope you like those. Okay, so that was super nerve-wracking. Every time you put the drone up in the air, never mind over water. I've never had it that far. The only problem was some of the transmission signal kind of broke up when it was like over 150 meters away, which is a bit annoying. So if anyone knows, leave down in the comments what I could do. That'd be brilliant. But oh, I hope I get some nice footage. It's a little dark, but hopefully I'll get some good footage. There were some guys up there. They were all going, whoa. It was really funny. But I'm just heading back now to the boat, and probably gonna play like some cards or something, make a hot chocolate, and yeah, it's gonna, oh, I love this place. This place is just amazing. Okay, it's currently in the morning. Hopefully we're not going to have any problems with the engine this time, and we're just going to go to Chandler. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I had an amazing day. That's me back. I've just had a shower. It's a bit later in the afternoon, but I'm just editing, and thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.